Hey, Ryan from Indiana Emergency Lighting. Today I'm inside of our latest build. It's a 2020 Ram 2500 heavy duty. This one's for our local EMA. We've taken the center console, the factory center console out. We've replaced it with a Havis. And in the Havis we have USB port, cigarette plugs, 12 volt, Kenwood VHF, Kenwood 800, Feniex Typhoon Full Function for siren and lighting. Right now I've got the lights active, so we'll go outside and take a look at those, and armrest and accessory pocket, and we've got the external speakers for the Kenwoods mounted behind that. On the outside here, up front we've got 5 T3s, red and white. And you have independent control over the red and the white T3s, so if it's foggy we can shut the white off. Up in the dash, got a Fusion 1X hiding in behind the tent, very minimal flashback there. And then we've got a high beam headlight flasher. Down the side, graphics were done by Bad Apple Graphics. They are our go-to on graphics. Got the Feniex T3 in the side window, and out back we've replaced the turn signal with an amber and red cannon. So right now it's in warning mode, so they're flashing red. Turn signal will override that to amber. Up in the back window we've got Fusion 40 degrees in behind the tent, and in the very top we've got a red and white cannons in each of the cargo lights that double up as cargo lights also. Right now they're in warning mode, so we'll shut this system off. It hides very well. Hit our power button, shut all the lighting off. We'll take you back outside. As you can see, that Fusion 1X disappears up there behind the tent. Grill lights leave a very minimal footprint. Around the side you can't even see the T3 hiding in behind the tent. And out back looks like a factory truck other than our chevron striping on the tailgate. So if this is something you need, something like it, give us a call, Indiana Emergency Lighting. And always remember, when you need to be seen, see us.